Okay, so ito yung sauce from kanina. Iniinit siya. Daming multi-purpose siya. From the marination to the sauce.
Just add it.
Okay, so nag-add tayo ng mamasita sauce. Konti. Kasi gusto natin saucy. Saucy. Yung sauce natin. Ready na to. So, nag-boil na siya.
Oh.
Yun na yun. Tapos na. Oh. Oh. So, that took like a minute. Alright. So, now...
Tama natin po.
Huh?
Put it in the sink.
Okay. Okay, so now... Okay. There we have it, guys. Teriyaki salmon. Alright. Alright, everybody. So we're finished already with the teriyaki salmon. Mwah! 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 Okay, so there you have it. Thank you for watching this episode of Lutong Bahay with Nanay. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure, guys, to subscribe. Bye-bye. Teriyaki salmon. Yeah, baby. Thank you for watching this episode of Lutong Bahay with Nanay. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, and share it with your friends. Let's all make sure that we are healthy as can be and all eat amazing great food all day, every day. And let's just all take care of the earth and the universe and everything else. I'm hoping the best for you. Riches, love, family, relationships. I hope you all have the best that is possible. I'll see you in the next video.